Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a Spotify Premium with your Google Play gift card. First, I'll just go ahead and launch Spotify right here. And now here at the bottom right, you will see Premium. Just go ahead and click on this. You'll see a bunch of different options. Choose the one that is applicable for you. Let's say I want to go ahead and buy this Duo one, right? This gives you 2 premium accounts and you can get it subscription, right? You pay every single month, or you can do a one-time payment where you can choose to pay yearly, every for 6 months or just 1 month. I'll just choose 1 month, then I'll click on continue. Now on this page, what you need to do is choose Google Play, and if you're not in the country for Google Play and Spotify, what you need to do is switch to the United States. I actually have a card. Yeah, I buy United States cards from Amazon. You can get it online. They email it to you. So that is what I go ahead and do. So you choose whatever one you can buy. Let's say you can buy this one. So the pricing is different in the United States. Then you come here and choose Google Play. And now you click on continue with Google Play. Okay. Now here it is continuing. Let me show you. So if I click on this, right, just click on your card if you had that added. I actually have a little bit of a gift card balance. So my Google Play balance. If you want, you can easily top up. You can come here and redeem code. Of course, if you have bought your Google Play gift card is externally, maybe on Amazon or Walmart, they do email it to you, the code online within minutes, or you can even buy Google Play credit right here. Okay, so if you wanted to buy using your Google Play gift card, just come here, redeem the code, and even scan it, right? Click on redeem, it will be added to your balance, and you can go ahead and select that and go ahead and pay for it. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.